Hello guys, myself Karan Udaipuriya and I welcome you to our J Advanced series. Our topic for today is properties of triangle, and trust me, one question is guaranteed in J Advanced from this chapter, and it's highly scoreable and one should always attend it. So let's learn how to approach these type of questions. So we must have read the question. The basic etiquettes, the basic formulas we should know are the sine rule. I have a modification to sine rule, like a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c. This is basic. We don't take k here or some constant, rather we take 2r here. This is a modification where r is the radius of circumcircle. Okay, this is a modification here. And one more. Now cosine formula, that's very familiar to you. Let me write it. Cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. You know this. Okay, now small r, there are multiple formulas for small r, but the parent formula from which all the formulas are derived is delta by s. What's delta? Delta is the area of triangle and s is the semi perimeter. This is the main formula. From this formula you can derive many other formulas for small r. Okay, this much is enough for most of the questions. So now let's read the question in triangle PQR. Let's make the triangle. First of all, whenever we read this type of questions, we plot them. Draw the triangles PQR. Okay, PQR is 30 degree, so this angle is 30 degree. Now sides PQ is 10 root 3 centimeter. This is 10 root 3 centimeter, and QR is 10 centimeter. QR is 10 centimeter. So the very important thing to mark here, whenever we have two sides and one angle given, we always use the cosine formula. Repeat after me. Whenever we have two sides and one angle given, we use the cosine formula to find rest of all. Now suppose we want to find this side, we don't know, so let this is be q. By cosine formula, cos 30 degree is equal to 10 square 100 plus 10 root 3 square 300 minus q square by 2 into 10 into 10 root 3. It's clear? Yeah, you can check with this formula here. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 400 minus q square by 200 root 3. Solving this, we get q is equal to 10. Now if this is equal to 10, guys look here, if this is equal to 10, 10, 10, this is an isosceles triangle, and if this is an isosceles triangle, these angles must be equal. So what's angle P? This is 30 degree. And what's this one? 180 minus 30 plus 30, this is 120 degree. Now we know the whole triangle along with its credentials, every information. Now let's proceed and read the options. Angle QPR is equal to 45 degree. What's QPR? QPR, this angle. And this is 30 degree, we just found it out now, so this is wrong. Now area of triangle PQR. So how to find area? There are many formulas for area. You can use the Heron's formula. You can find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, then calculate the root over. So we can use Heron's formula here, but it would be lengthier. You have many formulas, but the most preferable formula in this case is area is equal to half AB sin C. Most preferable formula. So let's find that. Area is equal to half into A 10 into B 10 into sin C. Sin C is 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So calculating this one, we get 100 by 4, 25 root 3. 25 root 3, our area. Now let's read. Area of triangle PQR is 25 root 3. Yeah, it's right. Angle QRP is 120 degree. Let's check. QRP. Yeah, this is 120 degree. We just wanted out now. This option is absolutely right. Now radius of inner circle of triangle PQR. What do you mean by radius of inner circle? It means small r. The formula I said, the most common and used formula is delta by s. So small r is equal to delta 25 root 3 and s is semi perimeter. Heron's formula 10 plus 10 plus 10 root 3 by 2, right? 25 root 3 by 10 plus 5 root 3. Now what do? Rationalize it when we see irrational number in the denominator. 10 minus 5 root 3 by 10 minus 5 root 3, right? So rationalizing this one, 10 root 3 minus 15. You may do the calculations. Now let's check. Radius of incircle of triangle PQR, yeah, it's 10 root 3 minus 15. That's what we said. Now we move to our last bit, area of circumcircle. So area of circumcircle is pi capital R square, because capital R is the radius of circumcircle, right? So we have to find capital R. That's our target. And the formula we have written, modified sine formula which I said you earlier, is a by sine A is equal to 2r. So let's take this as a. 10 by sine A is 1 by 2. 10 by sine A is equal to 2r, right? Therefore, what's r? 20 by 2, that's equal to 10. Therefore, r is equal to 10, right? Now we have to find the area. Area is pi into r square. Pi into 10 square, 100 pi. Okay. Area of circumcircle of triangle PQ is 100 pi. This is also right. So the answer is B, C, D. Guys, you must have seen we have solved this question very easy with just basic knowledge of any formula and how to apply which formula wherever. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको किस टॉपिक के वीडियोस चाहिए इस सीरीज़ में. Do press the subscribe button, especially that bell icon, to get the updates on my upcoming videos. Stay safe, ध्यान रखिए और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद.